We have a Master ProSeries 6830 padlock. The lock does work. This is the bitting on the key. It is 6-pin. It's not key retaining. You can unlock the lock and remove the key. Okay, it is locked. Okay, let's use top of the keyway. Okay, let's start at the front. Okay, here's pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 5, I believe. Okay, pin 6, I believe, slid in place. Let's work our way to the front again. Okay, a little bit more on pin 1. Okay, and it is open. Okay, let's open her up and see what kind of pins we have in this lock. Oh, I almost forgot, I did receive this lock from Welch. And I did make sure that it was pinned to 6 pins. It only had 5 in it. Okay, let's turn it back this way. That's it. We'll just dump them all out. We don't care. Okay. All standard pins in the bottom. I'll have to sort them out. Okay, number 1 pin is a spool. Number 2 pin is a spool. Number 3 pin is also a spool. Number 4 pin is a spool. Number 5 is a spool. And number 6 is also a spool. So we had 6 spools in this ProSeries 6830 master lock. Okay, all spools in the top and all standard pins in the bottom. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And I thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Thank you.